never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna be getting into the Supreme waist bag. I typically do a shoulder bag review or legit check at the beginning of each season because as you guys can see, I normally buy every single shoulder bag that comes out. But for this specific season, I feel like the shoulder bags were kinda ass. So I went ahead and just let that shit be. And I got myself this waist bag right here. As you guys just saw in the unboxing that I dropped, I'm recording this literally the day after that. I don't know when I'm gonna post that. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but I did manage to get the chocolate chip camo waist bag. I feel like this is so fire. We're gonna go ahead and talk about it in a little bit. I do want to touch on some details when it comes to this bag because I feel like it's a pretty good one and they're possibly gonna fake it and I don't want you guys to get scammed. So that's the purpose of this video. Before we get into the actual bag, I'm gonna show you guys the tag just so that you know exactly what it says. It says mesh waist bag, then it has like coding under it. So if you're buying it, it should have those numbers on it or whatever. But right here we do have the actual waist bag. This shit is humongous, bro. This is like a messenger bag, not gonna lie to you guys. It does have that Supreme box logo right there at the bottom in black. This bag is made by Cordura, as you guys can see right here on the tag. It has the Cordura, then it has the rest of their information on the back. It has two clips right here on the front as well. It has a zipper which has mesh over the zipper right here. It has mesh and it has like this little piece of paper which is protecting the print. As you guys can see, it does have Supreme printed on the inside of the mesh, which is basically like a pocket, but what would you really put in there? You know what I'm saying? On each side of the bag you have this little mesh pocket, and as you can see, the camo is on the mesh. As you can see, the chocolate chip camo is all throughout it. So if you're buying one, it should definitely have the camo on here as well as on the inside. It should have that Supreme tag right there as well. As you can see, it's hanging from the middle of this thing. On the back side of it, you have the Cordura tag, dead in center. You have the little handle, then you have the two clips where the little shoulder strap goes. You have that on the side as well. This is the back profile. It doesn't have anything on it, but it does have the strap which has the same design, that chocolate chip camo going all throughout it. Then on the other side you have like this little pocket which has a flap on it. You could put something in there, and once again you have that camo on the actual netting. This bag has a lot of little details to it that I feel like they would mess up on the fakes. Even this clasp has something on there. I don't know exactly what it says, but it has something on there, as you can tell right there. That pretty much does it for the outside of the bag. Now we're gonna unclip these two clips. On the actual flap itself, the inside fabric does say Supreme going throughout it. As you can see, a lot of little details on this bag. It says Supreme right there as well. Then on the inside you have this front pocket right here, which I'm assuming is just the little compartment at the front of the bag. Then you have the main compartment right here. It has double zippers, which is actually huge, bro. You can fit a whole lunchbox in this shit. A Mac, you could low-key fit a tablet in here. A Nintendo Switch has no problem fitting in here as well. But you do have this little pocket on the front right there. Then you have the main pocket, which is literally humongous. Inside that pocket you have another pocket which is that size. It's pretty huge in my opinion. The inside fabric also does say Supreme going throughout it, just like the inside flap. On the inside, on this side, you should have the little Supreme tag that says made in Vietnam. That is on this side. The side that doesn't have the little flap to cover it, right there should be the little Supreme tag. I'm pretty sure there's no more branding, but you do have the little shoulder straps that come with it. One thing that I'm not too much of a fan of is that you can't remove these straps. You kind of could tuck these behind, as I'm gonna show you right now. You can go ahead, unclip that, and then behind this there's like a little pocket, a little slot where you can hide stuff or whatever you want to do. Just hide the strap in there if you do choose to use this as a shoulder bag, and boom, just like that. It is kind of hidden, I guess. It's not too perfect, but I definitely would use this as a shoulder bag. I feel like the size on it is humongous. You can't just have it on your waist. This shit is like an actual fanny pack. I feel like the little details on this is fire though. Like this having the actual camo is one of my favorite touches when it comes to this. It's pretty huge, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not that bad when you throw it on body. I mean, I am a big body, so it doesn't matter, but this shit is hard. I actually really am a huge fan of this piece. As far far as the details go, that's pretty much it, honestly. You can kind of see the Supreme letters going throughout. The M and the E are kind of hidden behind the strap right here. The U is completely gone behind the strap as well, as you can see. I honestly wish that they did it a little bit higher so you could see it better, but it's not that bad. It's okay. The Supreme patch is always the Supreme patch. The letters are kind of together, but not really too together. These little straps do hang off the bag, as you can see right there. And this strap kind of does the same, as you can see. It hangs off to the side. The bottom doesn't have anything on this bag. I feel like the print is so unique that it's gonna be hard for them to fake it. Just make sure you take a close look at how everything is. I'm pretty sure it won't be the exact same, but it does look pretty similar on the other ones, I'm pretty sure. This bag is fire nonetheless though. I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you slap a like on this one. Let me know if this was your favorite color of bags that they did. How do you feel about the shoulder bags that came out? Honestly, those were a bummer in my opinion, because I'm a huge fan of those, but this year they look kind of ass, bro. That netting on front of it is not my favorite, to be honest, especially the duffels, bro. You can see straight through. But for a quick size comparison, this is the waist bag from this year. This is the shoulder bag from a couple seasons ago. I don't really remember which one, like 2 seasons ago. This is crazy, bro. Look at this shit. It's literally you can put like 2 of these inside this. As you can see right here, size comparison is crazy. I feel like it looks bulkier because of the 2 side pockets as well, but it's fire nonetheless. Definitely one of my favorite waist bags that have came out. But that pretty much does it for this video. Like I said, slap a like, subscribe, comment what your favorite color for the waist bags, shoulder bags are. I'm gonna talk to y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.